Success. We all want it, but how do we actually achieve it? Is it luck? Talent? Hard work? Today, I'm going to break down the real steps to becoming successful in life. No shortcuts, no fluff. Let's get started. Step 1. Define what success means to you. Success isn't just about money or fame. It's about personal fulfillment. Take a moment to ask yourself, what does success mean to me? Is it financial freedom? A happy family? A creative career? The first step is defining your version of success. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. Step 2. Set clear goals. You can't achieve success without a roadmap. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I want to save $10,000 in the next 12 months." Clarity is power. Step 3. Develop a strong work ethic. Talent is great, but hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Stay disciplined, push through challenges, and keep going when others quit. The most successful people in the world are relentless. Step 4. Learn from failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every setback is a lesson. Instead of giving up, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? The greatest success stories are built on failures. Step 5. Build the right habits. Your habits shape your future. Small daily habits create massive long-term results. Wake up early, read, exercise, and surround yourself with positive influences. What you do every day matters more than what you do once in a while. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Step 6. Surround yourself with the right people. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Hang around people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. Step 7. Take action and stay consistent. Knowledge without action is useless. The secret to success? Just start. Even if you feel unprepared. Even if it's not perfect. And most importantly, stay consistent. Success isn't built in a day, but it's built every day. Success isn't a secret. It's a formula. Define your goals, work hard, learn from failure, build great habits, and take action. If you stay committed, success is inevitable. The question is, are you ready to go for it? The best way to predict the future is to create it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs motivation today.